Alright, so we just woke up to a very, very loud bang. If you hear it, Riley's upstairs.
We had to lock him upstairs in the side room.
Alright, so this is what we woke up to. First, I don't know if you can see it. There's shrapnel all over the floor. Little pieces of wine bottle. Alright, let's show you the main culprit. You can see little pieces of wine bottle all over the place. That's glass. Here's the main culprit. There used to be a wine bottle sitting right there. And it exploded. As you can see. The thing that really got me, Aunt Heather, was this. Right there. Yes. All I gotta say is good thing we were not down here in the kitchen.
Dad, if you watch this later, I think it's about time to stop mixing wine.
Say that again?
If you watch this, I think it's time for you to stop mixing wine.
Yeah.
More like bombs than wine.
Yep, there it is. Glass all over the place. Holy crap, it's like shrapnel. Ow. Alright, well, we're gonna clean this up. Jeez.